good. They're trolling. Yeah, I mean, a little friendly spirited trolling is always welcome here. We're good. So, guys, in the poll, what we're going to do, we have 440 votes. Let's say at 200, every 200 votes, maybe? Maybe every, 200 votes. We will go long or short just based on whatever you guys are feeling. Come watch me lose money. I hope this helps you because you don't have to lose money. You can just watch me do it. You can get that trading itch out. I don't care. These are funds I'm okay to lose. And yeah, so don't do this at home. Make sure those votes are good. Mr. Echo, 157. Yep, we're almost there. 157. We need about 40 more. Long or short, there's still time to decide. We got 58% long, 42% short. Not gonna lie, long does look dangerous. And we promised to lose some money, so maybe that's what we should do. Maybe that's what we should do. You know what? I wanted to play this on the intro. Oh, I can't. I wonder, does it echo if I unmute the audio on the desktop? Let me know. Let's turn on some chill tunes. That's so weird. It was echoing in the beginning. I know why, but after that, I don't know. I don't know, man. We got a little volatility. We'll put in our first trade, then we'll throw up another poll, put in our second trade, but we'll do some TA around it. Kind of, I'll get a view of where I think the chart is going. Really quick recap. Let's look at this weekly. Not what I wanted to see. 2 weeks ago, we lost 200 weekly moving average, closed below. Last week, we did hit a lower low that closed green, so almost a kicker candle, but did fail to close above the 200 weekly again. So what that means is we have a weekly candle that's opened and closed below the 200. Not a great sign. Into this week, we've only had about 20 hours, maybe a little less. Price has snuck back up to the 200, but it has not broken through. And that is not a great thing to see, honestly. After losing the 200 weekly for the first time in Bitcoin's history, all back here, we retook it and spent a lot of time dancing on top of it. And now to close below, open below, close below, not a super bullish signal. Really need to see this weekly pick up. I'll feel much more comfortable maybe at 28K. Let's see what the Ichi's got. 28K. Alleviate some of those fears. Anything on the week closing above 26.6 is going to be A-okay with me. LuxAlgo, let's take a peek. LuxAlgo still showing an uptrend despite this weekly's pressure to the downside. Interesting. On the day, seeing some downward pressure here as it did look to short through the 200. Spicy. Spicy, spicy. Daily looks pretty garbage. Bullish divergence still in play with our RSI lows. And what's really interesting is that we also see that on larger time frames. This is what I'm paying attention to. Obviously the 200 weekly, but we are seeing some interesting moves on our oscillators here that could suggest at least a short-term bounce. We see RSI on, this is just the 5-day chart, RSI hitting a lower low, while price did not. That is bullish divergence, and that does give us some advantage to the upside, so maybe, chat's long, I don't know, vote? I don't know. Maybe chat's long vote won't turn out so bad. What's really interesting, and I haven't heard anyone talk about this yet, because we just got this signal. On the week, we also have that weekly bear or bullish divergence. We have our RSI coming lower, yet our price not doing the same. If price had come down into a lower low here, that would be no divergence. That wouldn't be anything of significance, but we do see these lows are still holding on, so the weekly may be looking to roll over. MACD, not really in agreement there. Weekly, pretty ugly, but we see the VWAP coming up and maybe a momentum pinch at the 0 line. That could be good. So let's zoom in here. We got to have 200 votes. We got 200 votes. Looks like we're going long. Let's end that poll. We're going to start another one. Next trade. Bitcoin. I'm going to mix up the answers from long to short to long, so we don't have any bias there. Ooh. As I was saying that, literally as I was saying that, the 1 minute candle, so that was in the last 90 seconds, shot up above the 200 weekly and rejected. Man, you guys said long. This doesn't seem like a good choice, guys, but hey, that's why we're doing it. Let me pull up Fairdesk. I'll be trading on Fairdesk today. Great exchange. Let me get into my account here. I do have some positions open, but we're just going to open more. You guys say long, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, man. You chose long. Let's get that market order in. Mang. 26.2. 26.2. 100 maybe. We're going to go light. Let's do 0.2. That's 500 bucks. That's more than I expected. All right. All right, there it is. There's the long. We did it. I put my short down here below the range lows because I'm dumb. Let's take a peek at where our take profit would be. Onto the day here. We're going to be looking for a juicy like 3-1. So 620. We're actually going to do this on this chart. Long position. We probably got it right around here. Lord knows. 26.2 flat is going to give us a 1.37% downside. Let's see what our upside target would have to be. Maybe we'll just do like 1-1 so it's more exciting. How's that sound? I never really trade 1-1s, but we'll do that just so it's exciting and maybe we get some W's. So we'll be looking for just under 27K as our take profit. I'm going to go ahead and set that right now. On this teeny little order. That is already in profit, baby. 46 cents. Let's go, chat. Let's say 27 flat. All right. All right. 27 flat. We have our first trade in. Keep voting in the polls as they come up. We're going to keep taking more trades. You're probably like, that was a small trade, Tom. That's stupid. Yeah, well, we're going to do more than one. What am I going to do? Do the whole thing in one trade? Then we don't do any more trades? That's boring. 91 votes to another long. About half the way. Let's make this 250 votes. Let's incrementally pull them up here. I mean, it's playing out so far. What was our exact entry? 21.3. No, that's a liquid. 26.584. There we go. Right there. Stop loss doesn't change. Oh, we got to move the TP up a little bit, though. No, we don't, actually. 27 was good. All right. I'm going to really quickly go through some low time frames so I can get oriented. I have not looked at the charts today, or really this weekend. I was out tubing all weekend. Well, not all weekend, yesterday. It was a great time. Highly recommend tubing if you've never done it. It is the best activity level to fun level to vibe that exists, probably. All right. 1 minute, getting a little overheated here. Up into oversold, but we are breaking new highs, so that's our overbought. So that's actually not a bad thing. Let's go to the 5. 5 minute, nice little fake out here, actually. A little gum drop. We got the VWAP coming down. Momentum still moving up. Ooh, bearish divergence on the 5. When we look at it zoomed in, we have some, we don't really have a problem on the 1, but zoomed in on the 5, we have a higher high in price. And RSI, not only did it fail to break a new high, even worse, it failed to move into overbought like we see in the 1 minute. That is not a great sign for this long, but we will continue anyway onto the 15. I'm seeing a lot of time frames. So the 1, 5, 15, we are seeing kind of this double fake out to the downside that's pushed back up here. We see that in a very high VWAP. We see very muted downside or negative money flows. Not bad, actually. Not bad. What sucks is we took this long right at the 200 weekly. It's like maybe the highest risk place, but that's why we're doing it. That's why we're doing it, fam. Also make sure to join the Discord while I'm on it. 15, really the same problem as the 5. Not great. We're going to have to see some follow through on like the 30 and the hour here to maybe wipe that off. And we do see our highs and lows coming up on the 30-minute. VWAP still moving up with that zero line pinch. I like this. I like where the 30's at. The hour, okay, got the same zero line pinch. You don't have a higher high really on VWAP. Money flow still trending down, so it's kind of lagging behind here. We are only 12 minutes into this hourly, so that could be why. This 2 hour is honestly very good looking. Coming off this higher high in money flow to a higher low. Yeah, this is a little indecision, a little sideways, but we do see the little bit of an upward bias here with momentum and maybe even VWAP going for a second run. The 2 hour maybe is going to redeem you guys along. We'll see. How many votes are we up to? Keep voting. 130, 100 something. We need 250. We can do it. We can do it, fam. We got 133. YOLO Bro. That's right, YouTube channel. What's up, Monkey? T-Bone. 808 Hawk. VOA. Newcomers coming in, seeing Tom's long. Yeah, they're like, well, you know what? Newcomers that come and see this are probably like, this is much more fun than the normal content. Close second to snowboarding. Surely Sound. Shout out to that, man. I snowboarded for a decade. I can still tear it up. I can still tear up that POW. Shred the gnar. You know. 3 hour. This is actually looking very strong, too. My only concern with, like, in the lower time frames, we saw some bearish divergence, some issues. Into these hourlies, nothing really of concern. We have lower highs, and our RSI is reflecting that. And we're seeing kind of like a 30-hour, 2-hour, maybe even 3-hour now, suggesting a little bit of upside. And what really kicks that off for me is this zero line pinch. I love to see it. You love it. Momentum comes down, and it rejects moving into negative. You love to see it. It's a very confident trend. Money flow on the 3 is looking to come test that high. If it breaks it, this long is actually going to be really solid. Really solid. Ooh, there. Wow. This is going to sell it for me. Maybe I'm not long enough, man. 4-hour with a savage fake out there. Money flow within a hair of going negative. VWAP rockets out, jumps up, pushes price up, pushes momentum up, pushes money flow up. I can't ask for anything more on this long, even though it's right at the 200 daily or weekly. It's not a great time to take it. 12 hours still kind of limp here, probably waiting for some strength into today. Hopefully. All right. 162 votes, guys. We need more votes. We also need more likes and more subscribers, so keep smashing those buttons. We opened this long. We're going to open more trades here today with your votes. We're going to open trades. We're going to lose some money. Let's do it. We got 313 viewers with only 100-something likes. We can definitely get 250 votes here. We can open another position. I believe in you, fam. I believe. 167 votes. Just a few more. Keep doing it. Paper Crowns. I like this song. Who else is here? I see AJB Christ, Connor Anderson, Crypto Brando 65, Dewege, Dandy, David Brum. What's up, David Brum? Dilawar Azar, Iamantis Lopinskis, H Manos, Manos, Iron Thunder Lyrics, Kazi of Kami, Kenny Macfella, Cryptonautic. What's up, man? Cryptonautic. Hey, I know that name. Is that Angel? Leon Dutch, Monkey, my Mang, Nomadic Life. Peter Mighty. What's up, Mang? Renee Silva, an OG here. Madcap Pat every day, all day. Rushan Mew, Strack Studios, Shirley Sound. I'm a snowboarding bro. T-Bone, Terran Crypto, Pickle. VOA, Victor Guevara, Watoshi. And YouTube channel, how y'all doing? Welcome to the greatest show on earth, to the home of crypto. We have 188 votes. We're going to take more trades. Keep voting. If we don't get the votes, we can't take the trade. What's up, Gasper? What's up, Fomo Sapien? Psychedelic Astronaut. Fakrul Mishu. Quick Bill. Ricardo. What's up, man? We're doing live trades. We're losing money live. We're just going wherever the chat wants. We already voted for long. We took the long. Now we got to get into the next one. Comment of engagement. Salute to you. What's up, MM Negan? What's up, Harsharana? What's up, everybody? What up? Hope you guys are enjoying this day off, and I figured some quality crap content would be very fitting. So we'll just take Degen trades. We'll just take the Degen trades. Let's see. We have 3 new subscribers in this episode. We got Lisa Spiegel coming on in as the #1 top G. A name I cannot pronounce because it's in Russian. I don't even know how to take a swing at it. And then Mattia Mingo. Welcome, fam. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, join us. We're doing some special content today because we're bored. We're just losing money live. What's up, Dandy? Strax wants to look at XRP. Who wants to look at XRP? Crown is king. Thank you, Crypto Degen. Thank you. Your account got suspended? No. Why? Choose say crypto. Let's LFG. Put an LFG in chat. LFG. What's up, Lawrence? How you doing, brah? Yes, sir. It's Angel. I have a good memory, do I not? Kevin VG. This is degenerate gambling at its best, Strax. At its best. Appreciate the charts. Thanks, Blue Ridge. George. Karaganus. Gayanus. Don't forget to like. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Yes, don't forget to like. It is of crucial importance that you like and vote. So we're coming up on another trade opening in 30 votes. We're a little bit less confident in the long. We were heavier long before. 46% short, 54% long. Only 30 votes to go. We're about to open up another position. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's go for 12K, Hugo. All right. AJLFG, let's go. Can I check B&B? I mean, I'm waiting for these votes. What do people want to look at? They wanted to see XRP. They wanted to see B&B. We can pull up some of these charts. I should have started it with actual information that's valuable, but instead we're degenning, and they don't really, you can't do both. Bitcoin dominance hitting a new high here, new multi-year high, 49.9. I don't think it's actually hit 50% yet. We talked about this in the last stream, how 50%, even though dominance isn't traded, is a psychological level, and we are likely to see it happen since we're so close. There is a potential for reversal there, and it would be just on a psychological principle, though. There is no kind of previous... Let me see. There's not a lot of previous interaction here, though, as I say that, we see in the bear market beginnings in 2018, our first rally in dominance did make it to pretty much exactly 50. It was like 50.5 before selling off into a higher low. So maybe there is a little history here. 50% really uninteracted with at all from July 2018 to April 21, where it basically just fell right through. So this is kind of like a fair value gap, part of a fair value gap. We discussed that in the last live stream, and even in the short that we released. So I'm watching dominance very closely here. It keeps erroneously or incorrectly setting off my alerts, which is odd at best. Also, there we go. It keeps like setting this off. I've had it set for 50 and it hasn't hit 50 yet. It's gone off multiple times. So let's set it to the trend line. Maybe that'll help. But we do see a higher high here today. So dominance moving up. Altcoins likely feeling the blood. There we go. 250 votes. We're going long again. How many times can he go long? Let's do this a little differently because we already have one down here. Let's go 26,300 as my stop. We're going to mark it 0.02. Nope, long. Boom. Okay, let's put this on here. Let's update the chart. We currently have 2 longs open now. Where did this open from? $26.58. 26.59. I'm assuming that's the new one. Oops. 26.5. There, close enough. 26.3 was my stop. Just targeting, essentially just to walk you through what I'm thinking here, is since I'm forced to market order into this long, I'm already at the high of a candle. We're sitting above yesterday's open. I can either look to make a tighter long using 26.5 as my stop, but I'm going to have to be very conservative to the upside then because that's likely to get hit regardless. What I'm looking at for 26.3 is today's daily open. I'm basically then making a bet that today won't trade red. Easy peasy. Not a lot of like deep thought on that one. So I'm going to use this. Here we go. Now we're getting nuked. I'm going to use this to keep track of the trades. And I'm also going to use it to figure out where I need to put my take profit. Let's do something like this. We're going 1-for-1s today because, I don't know, I don't ever really trade one-to-one risk to reward. But we are today, just so hopefully you guys can get a few wins or a few losses. It'd be good. Enjoy the show. What's up, Prometheus? Thank you, man. Support the show. I like it. Weekly Degen streams are top tier. Thank you, Chinggis. This is the most Degen we've done in a while. Let me put up another poll. For this one, I guess we're going to need 300. Next. Market order. Next trade. Long. I guess we'll do long at the top again, short at the bottom. There you go. We had 250 votes for the last one. Let's go for 300. It's going to be hard. We only have 360 viewers. But I believe in you, fam. As well as continuing to vote for new positions. We'll keep marking them out here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the stream out. We've had 3 people subscribe today. They are the MVPs. Lisa, Mattia, and someone in Russian, who I can't pronounce. But shout out to them. You are loved. Shout out, honestly, shout out to our global audience. We are from all over the world. We are powerful. We are global. Shout out to all of you tuning in on a holiday just to watch me get wrecked. I love it. Everyone knows the chair's going to keep saying long. It's not their money. That's all right. I mean, I hope you guys mix it up. It looks like shorts ahead now. Shorts ahead now. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, guy with the glasses. Go short. Well, vote short then. If I was trading, maybe I wouldn't have made any of these. It's in your guys' hands. All right, real quick peek at XRP. XRP fell below its 200 weekly. That's not a great candle. Still holding high above its 200 daily, though. Not a bad sign. Go to the week. Hitting that higher high. Kind of gnarly for XRP. It was looking very strong. It's still looking pretty strong, but unfortunately it does kind of look like it wants to return to that 200 daily. You know, I'll even target it here. We got that fair value gap on the day on the way up down to 42.5. I'm just going to freaking spit out trades today. Boom, boom. Let's do this. 5 to 1. Let's take a little less. Take a little less. There we go. None of this is financial advice. In fact, if you follow it, you'll probably lose money like I'm doing live. My hope is that you can walk away with some kind of education, whether it's through my experience or just watching me set orders, set pick stop losses, entries, exits, etc. I want you to be able to do yourself better than I do. I don't want you to copy me. You will lose money. 118 votes. Shorts pulling ahead. Let's do it. Men, brother, not beautiful. This is not a holiday. I mean, do you have work today? Then it's a holiday. Unless you're at work, then it's not a holiday. Increase leverage by 3 times every time you make a new position. I don't think I can even do that. I don't think I can actually change the leverage while I'm long in this this account or this whatever contract type. Unfortunately, no, not unfortunately, because I don't want to do that. The real reason I don't want to do that is because I have these other positions open. I don't want to change this leverage from like half a Bitcoin short. I don't want to up that. I don't want to up this from a quarter of a Bitcoin long. I don't want to get this account totally nuked. Then we won't be able to do this again. We traded this account up live this year from 10 grand to 14. Well, actually, it was up to like 16. And then I think we sloppied some. But still up almost 50% for the year on this account. And with your guys' help, we can knock this back down to reality. 150 votes. Shorts are eking it out. Let's go. They're eking it out. We can do it. I'm going to make these a little less... make these a little more transparent. 25%. Let's go 15. So we can actually freaking see the chart after enough of these are placed. Boop-a-doo, boop-a-doo. There we go. It is hot. I'm going to have to turn on the air conditioning in here. All right. Now, since we are above both of our long entries, a short is not bad. It will bring us to almost net neutral here, provided we do get a little move up. Let's see. On the 1 minute, you got a little bullish divergence coming in from your lows. Not actually any issues on your high here again yet, unless you look very far back, which usually you don't. Oh no, the 5 minute faked us out. Money flow now hitting lower lows. I thought it was faking us out to the downside. Looks like it's faking us to the upside. Weirdly, money flow red, yet price is moving up. That is kind of counterintuitive. I will give you that. Nice. On this chart, we have the 200 weekly moving average, this green line here. It has trouble generating because it's on a really low time frame. But this is the 200 weekly moving average, and that 15-minute candle traded above it and closed, settled up just 1 inch below it. The next candle opened, and it does look like it's opened on top of the 200. That isn't bad. That's definitely not bad. Our 30-minute now is looking to close above the 200. Maybe. We have 3 minutes to go, and it's kind of battling. 45-minute closed above, not bad. It's going to be that hour. It's going to be that next time frame we're looking to roll over. There we go. Maybe that negative money flow is kicking in here as we see this red candle pop out. It's really low volatility here. It's giving us a lot of time to make a position. A lot of time to make a position. Weird. 164 votes. Maybe we'll have to bring it down to 200 or something. Or else we're just going to be waiting all day. Waited 4 years for Ethereum to lower the gas fee. Yeah, wasn't the whole proof of stake thing to lower the gas fees, and it didn't really work? Maybe not. I don't know. Something that is intrinsic to crypto, though, a little alpha drop on this Degen day is, so that's the nature of blockchain. The nature of blockchain is when a chain is in demand, fees are high. People complain about ordinals pushing fees up on Bitcoin, but you have to look at it a different way. Crypto was never supposed to be a cheap, fast way to send money. Now, it is, or it has been, and it still can be, but that was never part of the aim. It's immutable. It's peer-to-peer. It's resilient. It's uncensorable, right? It's a public blockchain. It's nowhere in that is that it's super fast and cheap. I know we got used to it, and there are still many ways to send coins super fast and cheap. For instance, Litecoin chill. Litecoin chill. Litecoin, very cheap and fast way. You could say XRP, very cheap and fast way. But that's kind of the nature of it. The more a chain is being used, the more expensive it's going to be to transact. That's just how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. If you want fast settlements, I'm not really sure where you go. You go somewhere. Not banks. I don't really know. Let's see. Actually, 26.5 looks really juicy. I said that earlier as a stop. I might take it as a long. We'll see. To the dance floor. Really, really tiny retrace there if it even goes. Doesn't line up with anything. 200 votes and we'll open the next trade. 26,570. So we're above the 618 retracement or the golden ratio. 26,576. Price is hanging on there, hitting double bottom on a really low time frame. Looks like distribution. But then this wick here, rocketing price up above previous resistance. That's starting to look like an SOS or a flag, whatever you want to call it. Wick off. Why don't you wick off? All right. Why don't you wick off? 192 votes. Come on, fam. We can do it. Just a few more votes. Shorts are in the lead. We need a short open, baby. I really don't want to open it right here. I really want to open it like 26,650, like a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Definitely don't want to open it lower than my longs. That would be locking in a loss. I don't want to do that. Big reversal candle coming to the downside, says AJ Kadam. All right. Pickle locked. Pulse chain is fast and cheap. Well, the whole point of my argument was that there are chains you can transact in quickly, but that's mostly because they're kind of empty. It's not something against them, but like Litecoin, blocks aren't full. XRP blocks aren't full. Once the blocks become full, that's when fees go up, and if they don't, then it's missed kind of the minor user incentive. And they have to have some other mechanic for that. But lots of them are. But that's not the point of crypto. That's really what I was getting at. Which trading site am I using? I'm using Fairdesk. Link is in the video description. You can go to tomcrown.io. Link's right there. There is no, or we'll say this, KYC is optional. You are not forced to KYC. Make sure that you understand the laws in your jurisdiction, etc., etc. But it is optional at best. You can do it if you want. Most sites will allow you to KYC. All right, 216 votes. We're going short. We're going short. I don't want to go short in a market, though, because that's going to be underneath my longs. Maybe this is going to be like the most educational episode ever, just because I don't normally walk you guys through this kind of line of thinking. 0.5. Son of a beach. I'm gonna do a limit, unfortunately, because I just want it a little higher. Let's do 614. 26, 614. Let's do 02. Uh-oh. Get back up there, price. Go fill my order. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. All right, shorts put in. It doesn't feel good, though. It doesn't feel good to put that limit order, but it's all right. We got 420 watching, guys. Smash the likes. Let's get 420 likes. Hype it up. Everyone can go forth on this holiday and blaze it. Next trade. Short, long. Go. Oh, you know what I should do? I'm going to dismiss that I'm going to end that one. And we'll do this. This is a good idea. We've never done this before. People who are just tuning in, this is new format. We're just having some fun today. Next trade. Let's put 250 votes. Short, long. There we go. I think putting the amount of votes in it will encourage people to vote more. Tom, are you any way skeptical or fearful that a coin like ADA might not make it through to the next bull run? Not really. Not really. I mean, there's always a chance, you know? And if you look back at 2017 coins, XRP, Litecoin, almost any of the 2017 coins, honestly. With very few exceptions, they didn't break their previous all-time highs in dollars. That doesn't mean they never will, but they didn't. And so I honestly would see that as maybe the worst case. You might have found yourself a Litecoin. No, there's no guarantee. Not saying that will happen, but I'm saying that is likely. I mean, if you're looking at ADA is not going to go anywhere. No matter how much unlisting happens or security, like it's still going to be around. The chain, you know, like I've had my ADA staked for years. They don't have miners. They don't have the risk of miners disappearing. They have the risk of maybe people unstaking and not coming back, but that still doesn't, like you'd have to see literally everyone do that. So it's like very unlikely that it disappears. No, my short skis is not filled. No. There we go. We got some subscribers. People are liking this content. I'll take it. They're like, Tom's being a Degen? Let's go. All right, so I put a limit order because you guys voted short. I put a limit order at 26,614. Let's target 26.5, although I'm not in it yet. That's not a great stop, but I'll take it. 26.14. There we go. So these are filled. Our two longs are short, not filled. Not yet. What's the bar at? I don't know. Come on, safe move is exactly. It is. So I was saying that fast transaction speeds and low fees are not the point of crypto. They're nice, but they're not the point. So thank you for kind of pushing me into this concept because this is a good thing to rant about while we're waiting. You said something like Safe Moon is still here. ADA will keep going. Folsom hold. That's a good perspective. That is the point of crypto. The point of crypto isn't to be fast, isn't to be cheap. It's to be secure, and it's to be resilient. It's like to be what is essentially immortal. There was a time when there were valid concerns that the Bitcoin network could die. That was very early on. And I would say that those concerns really reached out until about 2017. 2017. I think the block wars, I've said this before, but I'll say it again to everyone joining. The block wars were really the final test for Bitcoin. That was the real threat. It was an actual threat. It split the network. It split miners. It split mines. And that division was very threatening. Even then, it really wasn't. It really was very unlikely that it would, die. But that was really the last test, in my opinion. There's very little going forward that I could be afraid of. But all cryptos, for the most part, encompass that element. They're incredibly difficult to kill. Incredibly. Some impossible to kill, especially proof-of-stake networks. I would assume that's even harder to kill because you're always going to have someone who just forgot about their coins or something, or and are just sitting in a staking pool voting. Proof of work has the theoretical danger of everyone in the world stops mining all at once. Is that really possible? No. Not without something far more catastrophic, like the world exploding maybe. But there's really no other avenue for that. That is the strength. That is the value, in my opinion. That's why I value decentralized projects and I value proof of work. Is I think that those two things add to the resiliency and make a crypto like Bitcoin impossible to kill. It is impossible to kill Bitcoin. People who are newer out there are going to say, but regulation, but delisting, and the price goes down. Yes, prices can go down. A crypto surviving isn't related to its price. It's counterintuitive. But Bitcoin could trade down to 1 penny and it would still function the same way as a network. Network would not change. Price can go down and you can get sad, yes. But the chances of, say, something like Bitcoin dying is virtually zero. Other networks maybe aren't as secure, higher chance, but it's really difficult. It's really difficult. I can name almost no real projects that have ever died. Like, died. Like, very, very few, if any. Maybe you guys can. I mean, like, if we look at a Squid Game or something, is that really a project? No, it's like a rug pull from the beginning. And I don't know, it still might. If it's a layer 2, it still exists. You probably can still send it on whatever layer it's on. I don't know. Beats me. 250 votes. We got 175 votes. It's only 50 more to go. No, 75 more to go. And longs are winning again. Uh-oh, our short's about to fill, it looks like. Looks like. Maybe gonna get skunked here. We're gonna get skunked. You know, you guys are voting. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in an order because we're being degens. Limit. Wait, where was this? 26,508. Let's do 26,510. Nope, not 26,500 Bitcoin. Silly goose. All right. Short filled, baby. Let's go. That's what patience right there. You know what? Maybe this is going to somehow turn out to be the most educational stream ever. Maybe. Maybe. You know what? I'm going to... There we go. Net neutral. Boom. We got a bunch of positions. It's going to get very hard to manage here. 26,615, 26,614. This one, I'm going to have a tight stop. Let's do 26. Ooh, there we go. 26. 7. $25. Was it 25.6? 26.5. Boom. Tight stop. Ooh. 26,660. Let's take that wick. 26. Nice. Let's go down. I'm just placing these, just putting stops in TPs in. Woo! Ooh, are we gonna get wrecked? Are we getting wrecked? Let's get wrecked. You all tuned in to watch me lose money. You didn't tune in to watch me win. I did place a long down here at 26.5 just because I wanted it, but that doesn't have to be your guys' trade. 26.4. I'm gonna change the stop there. Oh, I can't change it because it hasn't filled yet. That's okay. I'm going to leave it. Holding on. Let's do something like that. Let's see what our high is here. 26.7. Damn, I have all of the TPs higher than that. No. You know, this didn't actually get stopped. It visually did there, but it did not here, right? No. We didn't get stopped somehow, so I'm going to have to... 26.7. Oh, that's because I'm a noob and didn't actually put this at 26.7. Okay, didn't get stopped there either. Shorts goods, back in profit. At this moment, all the positions are in profit. Well done, chat. We only have 47 votes to the next position. Vote now. Vote now. You're a beast, sir. Thank you. Sir Angel. Show your cat. I don't have a cat. I got a dog. Hey, Professor Beans. You want to come on camera? Professor Beans. Hey, Gracie Bean. She's sleeping. She said, I am tired from writing my doctorate thesis. I'm going to take a nap. She's like, nah. Nah, fam, nah. Nah. We've got 3 trades open. They're all in profit momentarily. What's up, Pedro? I missed some subscribers. Pedro Correa. I don't know. What's up, Pedro? Vlad coming in hot. Vlad Sukiu. You gonna play? Maybe. Susiu. Vlad Susiu. Keep subscribing, fam. Make sure you join the Discord. Keep subscribing, hitting the like button, voting. We're going to open more trades. We're going to lose more money live just doing whatever it is you guys think I should do. We're going to be taking those trades live. We already have. You can see this doesn't look anything like my normal trading. That's okay. That's okay. Someone wanted to look at BNB. I think we can look at it quick while BTC chills here. Just going to put an alert at 20. 692, so I know if we get stopped out. And 26.5 right there on our entry. Let's look at BNB quick. BNB was looking very sad, and it still kind of is. Let's see. Still kind of is. Oof. Weekly money flow for BNB BTC red. First time since May of 22. Not a great sign. You know, here's kind of a thought experiment for you. That daily doesn't look great either. Ew. Thought experiment for you guys. I talked about Bitcoin dominance here briefly. We said we're likely going to see 50% dominance hit today. First time since May of 22. Before that, it was like July 28. So third time in 5 years. We're looking for it today. As dominance rises, we say altcoin pain, right? Altcoins losing value versus Bitcoin. Here's something I want you guys to be aware of. Whether or not, I don't know, you think it's true, I don't care. Here's what you should be aware of. As dominance rises, if we look at crypto as one whole, let me pull up CoinGecko here. If we look at crypto as a whole, right? Bitcoin, 516 billion, Ethereum, 200 billion, Tether, whatever, BNB, 37 billion. So if dominance continues to rise, and especially past, say, 50%, where is that going to come from? Where is that dominance growing from? Now, you'd be right if you would say every other crypto. That's correct. However, specifically, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Lido, Cardano, specifically the large caps, right? Doesn't that make sense? Isn't that logical? If you're going to take up more percent of the space, it is logical that you're going to get it from the larger caps, right? So be careful with all of these. Honestly, I've been saying for a while now, a few weeks, that it's not, in my opinion, it's not really the time to pick up alts. We're looking for a breakout of dominance, hit some kind of high, maybe as high as 60%. Then I think we still wait to see if that starts pulling back. On that pullback, and maybe hopefully on a bounce, so you see a lower high, that's likely going to be a prime time for alts. What's interesting is they may be higher in USD value by then, just lower versus Bitcoin in their Bitcoin pair. So it is kind of hard. It's a hard game. But dominance right now is telling us that alts are approaching or heading towards that sweet value zone. But that it is unlikely that it's at that sweet value zone yet. Of course, dominance could fall out of the sky here. No one knows the future. But as dominance is hitting new highs from multi-years, it is probably best to just chill. Probably best to chill. Wait to see if you get a breakout. See if dominance comes and fills this big fair value gap. If it continues higher. Whoa, what happened to this chart? Apparently crypto didn't exist before 21 now. That's odd. I don't think I've ever seen that happen. Oh well. Alright, we probably got 250 votes. Let's check it out. 261. We're going long, baby. We're going long. Next trade. 300 votes. We got, what is this? So we're 3 long, 1 short. I'll put the tally up there. Short, long. We're going long. I'm going to market order in. Because we're below where I took the short, so I feel comfortable there. Are we below still? That we are. No, we're not. We're slightly above. Not ideal. Not ideal. Well, that is right back. Let me do a little TAs here. I'll take it from 26,598, even though we had a bunch of entries there. 26.5. 26. 26,590 maybe? Quantity is too large. Oh. Gosh, you guys are supposed to tell me when I'm trying to long 26,600 Bitcoin. I ain't got that kind of cash. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's put it down here. Short BB, long BB. We've got them all open. We got it all open. We're long, we're short, we're schlong, we're dong. We're losing money live with your help. This is the first time we've ever done this. It's kind of fun. Not gonna lie. We need 300 votes for our next position. Long's up 66%. That's pretty intimidating. The short voters out there, man. What's happening? What's happening? You guys are losing footing. You're losing grounds. You won 1 vote. You can do better. All right, I'm going to look for a return. Yep, right here. Right at that sweet 200 weekly. I'd rather long it than short it. Oh my god, this is going to get really visually confusing, isn't it? Oh my. Oh me, oh my. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. This is what we just placed. This is definitely getting confusing. 26,590. There's just so many positions. I'm going to send this to back. Visual order, send to back. Send this to back. Okay. We got the long right there. I'm going to put the label, price label. Put that 200 week back on. Huh? What is happening, TradingView? You're being all kinds of janky today. You're being sus AF. Trying to just lose money live and you're being all sus. We have 1, 2, 3, now 4 longs placed. We have 1 short filled. Actually, it's technically 2 because I doubled it up. 2 shorts filled. Let me look at this chart quick. 5 minute hit a higher high. Nice. Nice and gravy. Oh, that's a 1 minute. Hit a higher high. Nice and gravy. 5 minutes still looking droopy, unfortunately. Kind of looking for that rollover. The 15 VWAP slanting down. Same thing. Things were looking really strong, but now these shorter time frames looking for a pullback. That might be a blessing. We might fill these longs, baby. There's a 200. It's for some reason still not showing. Oh, I hit the wrong label. There we go. Wait, that's still the wrong label. Previous day. No. Indicator value label. There it is. 26,516. Look at this like nightmare of trades. How does he do it? He does it with your help. We have 134 votes for the next position. Let's go. Let's go. What a day. Am I still head short? Oh yeah, baby. I still got a fat short open. And I got every position open, man. I got it all open. This short eating shit. Half a Bitcoin short. 26.4. Trading at 26.6. It's about 1% up. We got the long still open, but we are still net short. We are net short here. It's not great. It's not comfortable. Not above the 200. Now when we're dancing with it. Let's look at Ethereum quick from last stream's TA. That 200 daily hit we sniped. We noticed that live. Beautiful. 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 Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Still looking for this play. It looks like Ethereum did almost hit our target. It hit 1770. We're looking for 1785. We're looking for a retracement back to 1680. And it's still looking kind of on the... It's still looking like in the cards here. This trade was pretty simple. We saw a 200 daily hit while we were live and said, well, that's where it bounced last time. We even see the arrow from the last stream. Maybe we'll look for a repeat. But where are we going to look? Well, we have 2 pieces of evidence. 1, 1785. That was our support. It was our support from May all the way until June on the day. And that's one piece. So we have what was support. So we're going to look to hit and flip it as resistance. Just a liquidity sweep, wash trading, whatever you want to call it. On our volume profile here, we also saw something kind of telling. And that was a void in the volume. We see that this price range, 1670 to 1780, not heavily traded, much less volume here. So for a move up to where this volume begins to increase, and that's right at that previous support, and then back down, not only to the 618 golden pocket retracement, but also right where that volume picks back up. That's a pretty slick trade. Pretty slick trade. I think that looks good. So Ethereum might be looking for a little more upside. Let's see. Beautiful RSI low there. That's some very strong divergence on our RSI low. Wow. Wow. We have a higher low in price versus March, and RSI just sneaking lower. I don't think Bitcoin has it on the daily. It does on the weekly. Sneaking lower there for a strong bullish divergence. I like it. I like it. All right, back to the corn. Back to the corn. Back to the trades. We only have 166 votes. Maybe 300 was too many to ask. Uh-oh. Leto. Long Adam, he says. Adam Mayuro. Is it because that's your name? Ethereum going to Goblin Townie and Mackie. Guys, I hate to say it, but the chart has been somewhat bullish on Ethereum at times in the last few months. However, I have said, honestly, the same thing since the merge. I'm not really bullish on the merge. I don't really understand the value proposition trade-off. Like, yes, you can say supply is being burned. Like, I think net more has been burned, and that itself is bullish. But I just don't get it. It was a very weird move. Something I can rant about for a second. So the only reason that the Ethereum merge was even possible to transition from proof of work to proof of stake is because Ethereum is not as decentralized as Bitcoin. The Ethereum Foundation put forth the EIPs to change it to proof of work or proof of stake. Never would have happened with Bitcoin because there is no Bitcoin Foundation. And in order to do something like that, you would have to get a consensus among miners. There is a 0% chance that Bitcoin miners will reach a consensus to remove mining from Bitcoin. 0% chance. Will never happen. So people you hear going, haha, Bitcoin's going to get a proof of work too. No, it effing won't. It's not because I don't want it to. It's not because anything like that. It's because there is a 0% chance you can convince miners at that scale to give up mining. Like literally making their mining equipment worthless and removing their sources of revenue. It's illogical. It's completely illogical. Never happened. It's just so silly on Twitter. People see people like, Bitcoin, it's not environmental friendly. It'll go to proof of work. No, they won't. No, they won't. Literally, they'd rather watch it crash and burn than proof of work, period. All right, we have 191 votes, 192, and we're still long. Guys, we have 3 longs and 1 short. You guys are really bullish today. So far, it's working out. So far, so good. So far, so good. Our longs are up. Our short is not up, but that's okay. That's okay. We have a limit order sitting at 26.6. Also have a limit order sitting at 26.5, but that was my choice. I kind of want to do 26.6, 55. I'm going to do just a real tiny little bad boy there. Boom, little bad boy. Little bad boy. Don't tell anyone about that. That didn't happen. You guys are choosing the trades today. But I may from time to time grace you with my own thoughts. We'll see. 55 wasn't high enough. I should have gone higher. I should have done like 6.8. You know what? I said it. I'm not going to mess with it. It fills or it doesn't. 6.65. God, this is such a thin spread. 6.655. Oh, it's 6.655. You guys enjoying this? Is this fun content? Are you not amused? Are you not entertained? Let's do something like that. All of my shorts today are going to target 26.5. We didn't quite get filled yet. Can we look at XRP? We can look at XRP if you guys keep voting. We got 216 votes. Let's get 300. All right, short filled. Maybe that was a little front runny. Maybe I shouldn't have dipped into that, but I will. We are getting into the chaos that is tons of position management. Funding rate is neutral. Let's look at these other funding rates quick. Evening, Carthago. How you doing, bro? Fam. Bruh. Binance funding, actually slightly bullish here. We're seeing Binance being funded out of neutral, 0.1 down at 0.061. Not huge, but still spicy. OKX slightly negative, DYDX seemingly always positive. I don't understand why. Maybe arbitrage funding. Bybit slightly negative, Gate slightly negative, BitGet slightly below neutral, and CoinEx again weirdly negative, kind of canceling out DYDX. Token margin, here is what I wanted to see. On our last stream, we looked at funding and I made some comments, and this time, this is what I want to see. I want to see token margin negative, which is very rare, or at neutral. But that's not it. We need one more piece. We need USDT margin contracts in a negative funding. The reason we don't want tokened positive is token puts real sell pressure on the market, whereas USDT puts paper pressure on the market. However, paper pressure getting squeezed when negative does push spot up. So we have less pressure down with token margin neutral and slightly upward pressure with USDT margined negative. I like it. Boom, that short sniped. That was a little snipey. We sniped the top. I should have made that a little bigger. God, this is a nightmare. I don't know how to make this any cleaner. There we go. That's a little cleaner. Price is pushing back up. I don't love it. I don't love it. Let's go to the hourly. Where are we at here? Not a bad place to short. 26,645. Not bad. Not bad. 26,67. I'm going to put one more in. Well, you guys struggle to get 300 votes. Struggling. 26,68. 26,668. There we go. 26,7. I think my stops are way higher than they need to be. Way higher. Gosh darn, I keep doing that. Still getting used to this platform. There we are. Wouldn't have filled anyway, but we'll just put that up there. Those are smaller, don't worry. Then the community fueled ones are larger. That's a nice 4 hour. When we started this stream, we saw on the 30-minute, hourly, 2 hour, 3 hour, and maybe now 4 hour, some strength, and it's playing out here. That's a pretty nice candle. We see locally a lower low. It gets bought up. We still have 2 hours to go, so this 4 hour can still get smashed. We don't, you know, it's not super confident, but it did show some strength, and that's what we wanted to see here, lining up with those smaller time frames. That 4 hour really faked us out. Really faked us out. Money flow almost went negative, but momentum now pulling it back up. And even in the moment, we're seeing price move up again. We're about to fill this short. 260 votes. Come on, fam. 40 more. Short filled. Boom. Are we going to get wrecked? Probably. Probably. Now we are net a little bit short. A little bit short. But that might change if these, if we come get these stop losses sweepied up here. I'm trading on Fairdesk. You can join me. They are KYC optional. You'll get fat bonuses by using my link. So sign up using my link. Do I want to leave YouTube? Yeah, go to site. Click here, deposit rewards. See fat deposit rewards. Now, $100,000 deposit reward is insane. You have to deposit a ton, trade a ton. But there are smaller, more achievable ones. So it's a little bit of extra funds for you. Woo! Getting wrecked. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. We got our short stopped out all in a row. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Now we can clean this up a little bit. We got sniped right to 26, right there. Son of a bee. All right, just got stopped out. So we'll move this over. Clip. Just got stopped out. Move this over. Clip. Nice. Nice. We still have unfilled positions. Our shorts getting decimated there. Maybe we're going the right way with these longs. 268 votes. We only need 30 more. 300 votes. And we'll take another long position here live. That's right. Live. Watch me lose more money. We just got stopped out on 2 or 3 trades. Let's rehash the damage. 1, 2, 3 shorts stopped out. Very tight stops. We lost a total of like $5. Not the end of the world. Our longs are still locked and loaded, and price does look like it is reaching up higher. Holy moly. Holy moly. Da-da-da-da. Oh, this one didn't get a stop, did it? Let's put a stop, 26.8. Throwing a stop on there. 300 votes. Let's get 300 votes so I can take a breakout long. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 12 more votes. 12 more votes. 12 votes. 12 votes. 12 votes. Dominance almost 50%. We did go over that. I doubt it's moved since we looked at it last, but we'll take a peek. Ooh, nice little wick here. Following the little candle on Bitcoin on the 5. Dominance following it on up. That is groovy, man. It didn't quite hit 50% yet, 49.98, but we should prompt. We should prompt. We should have ready a tweet. Bitcoin is now 50% of the total crypto market. There we go. I'm going to prompt this. Just get that ready. Because it's coming, and it's probably coming in this live stream. We're going to tweet that live if we get it. Let's go back to our trades. We probably have 300 votes now. Probably. Let's go. We got 300 votes. Let's market it. Boom. Markets. Boom. Done. Did that enter? $5.99. Nope. Fine. There it is. Positions open. Stop loss is set. Where do I want to even maybe take profit, though? That's a nice little move here. Corn's rallying. Thanks, fam. Thanks, fam. You got the longs. Next trade. Let's effing go. 4 long, 1 short. Let's effing go. Woohoo! Making money. I was trying my best to lose money. The market said no. It said no. Ain't gonna lose that money. That short already got stopped out as Bitcoin ramping up here to 26.8. 26.8. Let's see. Let's shave off our real shallow positions here. Say 27. No, not stop loss cancel. 27. Let's grab it. We're just gonna get rid of our higher entries here. 26.7, 26.6. Got 26.4 open. 26.584. Good enough. Good enough. Let's go back to the chart. 58% long. We already got 53 votes. Let's go, fam. We are back above the 200 weekly moving average. Bitcoin dominance. It broke past 50. It broke past. It's a miracle. Let's tweet it. Let's tweet it. Let's tweet it. Tweeting it out. We're going to be the first one to tweet it out. We tweeted it. We're the first. There's a link to the tweet if you want to retweet. Boom. Take profit. Market 27. Let's see. We now broke our high. This is actually looking very spicy. Bitcoin dominance, 50%. This has not been true. Let's maybe follow up that tweet. This has not been true in over 2 years. We see it back in July of 2018 and again in May of 21, very, very briefly. So it has been almost 800 days since 50%. And let's see. About 2,000 days since it rebounded from 2018's low. This has only happened twice in 1,800 days. Let's take a photo here. I'm going to add to that tweet. Let's say this has been 800 days. Almost 800 days since this happened. Happened last. There you go. Boom, reply. Benjamin Cohen, probably having a beer somewhere. Having a beer somewhere. Sipping like Kermit the Frog, being like, Told you. Told you so. Told you. That is a rally, man. Look at that. I wish Bitcoin's price would go up like that. I mean, kind of is right now, isn't it? Kind of is. Kind of. I guess, I don't know. All right, I have one set profit, or take profit at 27. I'm going to leave the one. But I am also going to, entry price 26,584. I'm going to 26.6. I'm going to remove one of the take profits, and I'm just going to move the stop up into profit on one of them. Let's go, fam. Let's go. I'm going to move the stop up on a few of these, maybe. 26.4 now. Dang, we are very close. We are very zoomed in. That's the problem. Although Bitcoin does not seem to give an F. It's saying, I'm dominant. I'm the alpha. Ooh, that's a good tweet. Bitcoin's the alpha now, but it's always been. Bitcoin's the alpha male. Yeah, you bitcoins, man. Yeah. I don't know what I'm on today. We're having a good time. What are you thinking, chat? Adam, why Adam? What's up with Adam? 95% the pump gets dumped tomorrow, probably. Long and this chorizo. What's up, Itadaki? How you doing, bro? Whoa. Whoa, that's not good. Why did it open on that window? That's odd. No new subscribers in a while, guys. If you haven't subscribed and hit the like button, now is your time to do so. You'll never get another chance to do it like you could do it right now. Whew, it's hot in here. I'm going to turn on the air conditioning. Hold up, don't go anywhere. It's right here. Don't move. Hit likes and subscribes, votes. It's going to take 2 seconds. Air conditioning activated. Longs activated. Let's go, fam. We're winning together today. We thought we would lose. Here we go. Bitcoin pushing up for a new high. Pushing up for a new high. Just like we will be when we get 420 likes. We got 500 viewers. Let's go, everybody. Keep the hype up. We're taking Degen trades. We're doing it for you. 330 likes. We got 500 viewing. We can get 420 likes right now. And we can get 300 votes to take the next position. When did we pump? We pumped during the live, Craigton. What's up, brah? Mr. C. Somehow, some way, the chat actually chose the correct trade. Heavily long. We took one short. We got stopped. But these longs, they're still cruising off that 200 weekly. I said, this is like the worst time to take them. But we did it anyway, because we ain't no bitches. We're here to lose money. All of the shorts stopped out. All of our longs, we have like kind of cascading stops here. Let's move the ones that aren't filled. So this one's not filled. Let's move this out of the way. It's filled. That's filled. Very hard to see. This one did not fill. Let's move this out of the way. Move that out of the way. There we go. Just for a little clarity. A little claritas. What? Oh, that short got stopped. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're still going. We're still going. Choo-choo. Chat is king. Chat's king today. You guys proved me wrong. I was like, there's no way these people are going to get these right. But you did. I was wrong. What's up, Devin? Subscribing our man Devin or woman. Either way. What up, Devin? Welcome to the fam. Also, shout out. I don't even know if we're live on like this is the first time that I tried to stream to Kick. We are live on Kick. Right on. We have 9 followers and no viewers over on Kick. That's okay. I think we're also live on Twitch. Let me see. Did that work? Tab. We're live on Twitch. We got 2 viewers on Twitch. What up? 2 viewers over on Twitch. How y'all doing? Should be live on TikTok as well. This is a hella good stream, not gonna lie. This is going way better than I expected. I really was looking to lose money. Here we go, pushing up again. Is dominance leading the way? Dominance is in fact leading the way. And you know, this is spicy enough. This correlation with dominance and USD. This is spicy enough that we might want them side by side. Because we may be seeing dominance front running / signaling higher in real time. Let's see. We're going to compare them. I'm going to make these even less visible. They're so... I don't like the way they take up all the chart. There we go. Order to the back. Dominance falling down. Will USD fall down with it? Let's see. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Bobby, damn it. There we go. Dominance taking a breather here, but will BTC USD? We're about to find out. Keep smashing the likes. Keep subscribing. Keep voting. We can take another position here. Ooh! Ooh! Uh-oh. A little falling down, London bridges. Interesting, though, that dominance does seemingly... I mean, that moved more exaggerated. If we're going to follow dominance here, maybe we should look to move our stops up on the longs, but I'm not going to do it. 197 votes. Keep them moving. Shit, dominance. I mean, this is very zoomed in. It's really not moving at all. Like, we went from 50.03 to 49.99. That's 0.4%. Like, that's not a lot. Just looks big because we're very zoomed in. Dominance moving back up. So is price. Let's go. Let's go. 200 votes. We're looking for another long. Excitable times. What's up, Alex Wells? You broke it. Bop dump. What's up, Manjula? That 40 or 27k wall may hold us back. Nah. Walls were meant for destroying. Nabil Khan. Cohen was right. He was. I will say, I also have been waiting for this. I just don't talk about it every day. You can go back and find streams where I said dominance is going to look to move up to the 60s this year. Beginning of the year, maybe even last year. We have upside and down gymnastics sandbankment freed in the 4 hour, says Bitcoin Slut. Great name, Bitcoin Slut. Does that mean you're a slut for Bitcoin? Or does that mean Bitcoin's a slut? Or is it just unrelated, none of the above? The chat needs to know. The chat needs to know. Take profit hit on one of our longs. Money in the bank. It closed a little higher, actually, from that move up. Let's see. Nice! Boys and girls, here's all the trades today. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4 shorts stopped out for a loss of, let's say, $2, $4, $5, $6. Say $6. We just closed 2 longs in profit for 13, so we are up despite all rationale. We are winning this game today. Well done. We got 80 votes away to the next position we're going to take live here, and you choose what direction. That's right. That's right. Benjamin Cohen having a party. Having a party. Bitcoin is now 50% of the total crypto market cap. I thought that was a cool way to say it was at 50% dominance. Like, retweet, follow, subscribe, join Discord, sign up with Fairdesk. We're going to have a trading competition on Fairdesk in the next few days. I'm going to set that up. You have to have a account signed up under my link to participate. There's going to be some sweet prizes. Some sweet moolah prizes. Oh, we have 5 viewers on Kick. What up, Kick? I'm going to even type in chat. What up, Kick? Yeah, it worked. It worked. Shout out to King2399A over on Kick. First person, first message ever on a Kick live stream for us. What up? What up to everyone? A good what up to all. 355 thumbs ups. Like, subscribe, react, whatever on whatever platform you're watching. Let's get 420 likes on YouTube, guys. I'm going to blaze a fatty after this live stream, and I need 420 likes to do that. You guys know the rules. Tom, how's the crypto subreddit? They went dark. Voted to go dark. You're ready for the challenge? That's right, BG. How many screens do I have? Only 3. I actually need to figure out. I think I need a new power supply to have more. But I need more. I need 2 big screens behind me so that I can see the live feed while I'm live to know if there's any issues. We got more people joining us as it spices up here as Bitcoin dominance destroys, blasts through 50% as Bitcoin price also making a similar move here, breaking out of its range. Let's take a peek, a recap. When we started the live stream, we were below the 200 weekly moving average. Now we are sailing above it, breaking past January 17th's high here. 2 days later, reaching above 27,000. Now, certainly not out of the woods, but a daily close above the 200, likely to put price back on an upward trajectory after 2 days of sideways trading. I will take it. I will take it, especially after this ugly ass pattern. This was like a perfect Bart Simpson in the making. I don't know how to draw Bart Simpson. How do you draw him? No, he doesn't have a mouth like that. One sec. Welcome to the home of crypto, the only channel where I stop doing what I'm doing to look up how to draw Bart Simpson. Here we go. Don't have a cow, man. Why is his nose so phallic? Cowabunga, man. Pretty gnarly looking Bart Simpson potential. And we saw that hour, 30-minute, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, maybe even 4 hour show us those bullish signals earlier in the stream before the pump happened. And now it's playing out. The chat correctly chose longs. And so we've made money today. I tried to lose money and you guys wouldn't let me. You just made the right choices. I've taught you too well. Respect, fam. Respect. I like that. It's good. Makes me feel like I'm doing good. Mickey Moogie 1, what up, my friend? Welcome to the channel where you can come watch me lose money. Although today it seems like that's not in the cards. Somehow we've opened almost exclusively long based on the chat's responses and it's played out. However, the chat still looking long here, even after this move. That's ballsy. I mean, I said it was ballsy to take longs to the 200. Maybe I need to take a lesson from the chat here. 45 votes to the next position. 45 votes to the next position. Vote long, short now. Vote now. Long, short now. Vote it. Vote it. Be there. I don't know if you guys can hear the music or not. Cowabunga. Wait. I gotta finish my drawing. While we wait. Guys, we get this next... Let's get this next trade going. Vote it up. Eat my shorts. Beautiful. Beautiful. Eat my shorts, man. There we are. Eat 'em. Eat 'em, skeet 'em, beat 'em. 27K. On low time frames, though, is looking a little droopy. Not quite a head and shoulders here. We'd need to see a test of 26,892. And we're on the 1 minute either way. But hitting that number creates the neckline, and then we would look for a lower high, a break of the neckline, a back test to go short to our next downside target. Not there yet. 1 minute doesn't really look like it's given up the juice quite yet, actually. Really pushed up. We were talking about potential bearish divergence on our highs. This is what can happen. That's why you never want to call it too early. Price can always keep pushing up. RSI can get more overbought or oversold, and you can eliminate that bearish divergence, and that's exactly what happened on the 1 minute while we've been scooping it live. The 5 minute has been so effing tricky. That is a tricky move. That is SSX tricky. Cool. Here we go. 15 minutes now trending up too. We're starting to see these low time frames come into alignment with the longer, or we'll call short to mid time frames we scoped in the beginning. The hourly finally responding to this upside movement. Money flow crawling back up. What's up with these colors? Oh, that's the blue. Okay. 2 hour. We said it earlier in the stream. Said 2 hour. It held this higher low. We're seeing momentum pinch. We're looking for that 2 hour to return to the high of money flow that we saw, I don't know, yesterday. And it happened. Boom. Live. Momentum's coming up. Not quite above its previous high. But that money flow higher high, man, that's going to cement for me this rally, at least short term. At least into the end of today. There we go. The 1 minute rejecting that potential head and shoulders. Does look like momentum might be pinching here. We'll know in about 20 seconds with a strong close. Gets sold off. We might have to wait. 50x next trade, 100% Degen. We got 300 votes. Let's go. We're going long, I guess. Despite, against all my better knowledge, we're going to go long. Buy market. Boom. Go. Done. It's done. It is done. You guys really are all on the long side. You know, it worked on the way up. Let's say next trade. Is chat frozen? No. Shouldn't be. We've got almost 600 viewers. We struggled to get 300 votes, but we're going to go 350 votes. We're going to keep upping the ante. We've done 5 long, I think 1 short. Let's do short. Long. Bull ran. Bull ran. Why doesn't it show my order there? I marketed it. Yep, there we go, 26.7. Right where we closed the last one. Not really awesome. Not ideal. I don't know why it's not showing this. Maybe it only shows so many. Guys, this one should probably be a short. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. That last one should have been a short, probably. Just saying. But I don't want to influence you. We got 83 votes. See, you guys are getting better at this. 62% short. But don't listen to me. You guys have been right. You know, don't listen to me. You guys are on a roll. Perm long. Let's go. That's right, Pickles. STX is nuts. RSI pretty overextended, says Andrew. Lots of stuff going on here. What I'm watching is dominance. Dominance seeming to lead this rally. If it holds right here, makes a move back to the upside, breaks this like 5 minute ago high, likely looking for higher highs very shortly. Likely. Someone said STX. Is STX even doing anything? I mean, it like fell from $1. So it has to go back to $1 before I get excited. All right, well, STX, I wouldn't really get that excited. This isn't that exciting yet, but we will say in the last live stream, we did look at STX. We did find 44.1 cents, and that was, I believe, a monthly. Yep. That was our monthly order block from back in July, and I said, it's kind of knifey here, but I do like this monthly order block, and that does give me a little bit more confidence that we'll see at least a bounce from 44.1, and we did. Let's see how high we are. 60. Wow, that's actually a 50% bounce almost. 40%-ish bounce. 37% bounce. Nice. I mean, we got that. I'd still feel more confident down at 35.60. Still feel more confident there. But the daily does look to kind of finally be rolling over. Maybe we are going for a retracement. Back to 80 cents probably. Something like that. I can see that. I can see it. 560 viewers. The trend is your friend. You guys are my friends. You're my friends. 150 votes. Shorts are winning. I don't know. Don't let me influence you. The Future King says short. I don't know about that, man. There's more. There's more up there. Oli Robles is calling a 10% run today. Let's see what that would look like. That's pretty ballsy callsy, my friend. I'll take it though. I'm not gonna get mad. Let's see. So starting from today's open, I assume. 10% run? That's pretty big, man. That's a pretty big run. I don't know about that. I would love that. I think 28.4 for like an 8% run, that'd be a pretty good move. That'd be up to the daily cloud. We talked about this in the last stream. Flat, fat top cloud. Prices below it. What do we usually expect? Price to find or seek out that fat cloud. What's really spicy is if we do get a move to the top of that cloud, we see our TK. Get rid of this. Our green line here on our Ichimoku cloud on a move to 28.4 almost certainly will cross above the KJ, and that will be a bullish cross. Now, it is below the cloud. It's a weak bullish signal, however. It's better than this very bearish signal that I didn't actually catch here. When we cross below the cloud, down, very bearish signal. Honestly, anything above 26.6 is looking pretty good on the day. Price on BTC is kind of winding back down on the low time frames here. We did touch, looks like we touched 25.3. Actually, this is looking like a really spicy place. 25.3 according to the 2-day. We have the opposite, that fat, flat bottom cloud. Magnetic to price, not a bad place to look for a long entry potentially. Ichi's suggesting a lot of resistance above us with these lines. 4-day held 25.3 very nicely. Okay. 5-day. 5 hours to go. Whoa. 5 hours to go on the 5-day. And look at that. Look at that. Look at this. If in 5 hours, Bitcoin closes above 26,482, and that's looking kind of likely. Professor Beans, this is not a time for yelling. All the way down here. If Bitcoin closes today above 2642, all the way down here, below all of our longs, it will have a 5-day bullish engulf candle. 5-day. That's pretty big. See dominance falling down, Bitcoin falling down with it. 26,783, probably the next support, potentially. That was the previous high. What did we do in the previous highs before? We've gone under them. We did see a very beautiful on the 5-minute here. We had a high on the 15th, price hit lows, pulled higher, then pulled back right to that previous high, and that's how we got this big run. That might be in the cards. I wonder if 26,783 is the juice. It's the juice, baby. I could see this happening. It's like 783. You guys all want to short now, though. We got 200 votes. We got to get 350 votes. 150 to go. Long or short, you decide. Watch me lose money. Vote for me in the way you think will make me lose money. I don't care. This is all about entertainment today. As long as you are entertained, I'm good. I'm trying to find something funny for you. Hold up. Keep voting, keep liking, keep subscribing. We've had a few subscribers. Mickey Moogie 1 was the last one. Take the cup from Mickey Moogie. Subscribe now. Subscribe now. Where's his tweet? Nate, I beat you by 56 seconds. I did it live, baby. Did it live, as I always do. We do it live. Hold up, almost there. All right, to the chat. Guys, if you can answer this correctly, I'll buy more Bitcoin. What animal? What animal is this? I'll buy more Bitcoin. I know it's a very hard. This is a very hard one. I do usually put the difficulty level out there. This one's very hard. So please, nobody feel bad if you don't know the answer. This one's not for everyone. Only maybe the top G's will get this one. One of our longs got stopped out in profit. Let's take a peek. Or not? Oh shit, this one doesn't even have a stop loss. Hourly getting sold off. That's not ideal. 26.7. $26.5. Whip. Whip. I'm going to combine. No, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. Anything with funding? All's pretty quiet on funding. A little bit of negative funding on OKX for token margin. Not bad. A little extra bullishness. CM price potentially scoop back down to 26,783. What's interesting is it traded way higher. Or it's trading way lower? No, it's exactly the same. Hold up. Keep voting. Keep liking. Keep subscribing. Yeah, I guess this just got a lot higher on Fair Dusk. A lot higher, baby. A lot higher. 26,783. 26. There's a subscriber. 26,783. Yeah. Okay, back to the chart. Back to the chair. Okay. Coming on down. Who subscribed? Who dares subscribe? VNext Production TV Vlog Official. What a long name, but a great name. Welcome, fam. You're in good company. Black Mirror. You know, I never saw Black Mirror. People said it was good. We need 80 votes for the next trade. You switch your vote to long. I don't think you can, buddy. That's a perfect wick. I know, I probably missed it. This is unironically a very interesting stream format, VOA. Nothing ironic about it, baby. It is interesting, right? You guys decide. I take the trade. I manage the risk, and I honestly do think that we offer value in all of our live streams, but I think that this format is definitely offering a value that we haven't offered before, and I think it's an important one. Just watching all of these positions being managed, there's absolutely value to how I very quickly on the fly decide where I want to put stops, where I want to put take profits, etc. Definitely value. I like it. Me gusta. I'm looking for this. Doop. I'm looking for it. I don't know if we'll get it. That might have been it. A little 0.5 retrace here. That'll be a very strong move to the upside, though, if that's the pullback. Let's see. 1 minute starting to crank up again. 5 minutes still coming down, but 15 looking good. 30 looking good. New subscriber looking good. Hourly still kind of janky, but not bad. We got a new subscriber. Abraham Ramesh, what's up? And it's a double. It's a 2-for-1. Paulo Reese, welcome. Good job, fam. Welcome. You found your home. We are the home of crypto. We can be your home. Through the bear and bull markets, we've been doing this 4 years. Today we're doing a little special content. Just letting the chat decide the trades. You guys seem to like it. We'll have to do this more, especially on boring days like today. We've got 550 viewers. Pretty good numbers. I think we have... Do we have the legendary 420 likes? Do we have it? Could it be? Is it possible? 422. Fam, this is the first stream. We've gotten 420 likes in quite some time. We'll do an extra large airdrop in Discord for 420 likes. Pat yourselves in the back. Roll one up. Grab a brew. You deserve it. It's a holiday, right? I'm not really sure why it's a holiday, but that's not for me to decide. That's not me. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's not my business. I don't care. I'm like Bitcoin. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Let's see. Send it back. Yep, we had one. This one's actually done because we took profit on one. That's correct. I'm trying to keep track of all these. I think we took profit on 2, right? Yeah. But 1 is still open. Let's find which one. 26.6. 26.6. So it can be this one. We'll move that up. 1, 2 closed. Still open. Where would we even target? Up here. 27.2, not a bad place. There's like a daily double top. Maybe we'll take that. There we go. Still open, baby. 27, we have a short open. All of our shorts got stopped out for a little bit of a losses, but the longs made up for it and then some. We are net up. We're net up today. Wild. Not in my wildest dreams did I think that would happen, but it did. 311 votes. We are so close to short. Short in the lead here. Just 49 votes to go. Get your votes in quick because I want to do this short. I want to do this short as a limit. Right about 27. Short's likely going to get stopped out quick, but that's okay. That's why we're here. We're not going to get it in time, are we? Secret code to activate the alien communication. What's up, Bringfax? What's up, Honda Man? Honda Man. My first car was an Acura Integra, so I'm a Honda man myself. What's up, Tug Marley? Nope, remain long. All right, see it. Right. 420 means someone run over a skunk? Nah, dog, nah. Bullish divs 6, 7, 8 till 12. There's bullish. You're talking about dailies? Because there is bullish div on 5, 6, 7 days. Kimu P, please help, sir, recover your $100. No one can help you recover money you've lost. You're a new subscriber, Abdel Lack. What's up, man? Good to have you. Today's a spicy stream. Make sure you get into the Discord, subscribe, enable notifications, click that bell. Also, make sure that your phone has notifications enabled for YouTube, or else you will not get them. That's right. What's up, DJ Johnny? Mystic Net. Diamond Sauce. Big Hands, Little Spoon, one of my favorite names to yell. Vesemir, my mang. Oh no, Y2K. What's next? 10 votes till we open our next position. Shubham Agri. Hello, bro. First time on your channel. Welcome, Shubham. Shubham. Which strategy do I use? I mean, literally, we've done it all live today. All of these trades placed live. Today, our strategy is, what does the chat think we should do? And then I put that through my own little filter. Which strategy? Really none specifically. I incorporate all kinds of things. Definitely like some ICT concepts. I do like my indicators. I know that's contrasting to ICT. No, there's no one way. I would say there's no one way that I would put my trading into words. 350, short we go. Here we are. 53% want a short. Let's give the people what they want. I'm going to look at 26,950. What's our wick high here? 26,950. 970 maybe. 26,964. 960. Stop. Let's give it. Should we do 27.2? For now, we'll put the stop at 27.1. We're just doing tiny positions, but we're doing lots of them. Let's check funding quick. All is calm in the funding sea. Let's pray this fills. $26.65. 26.65. No, I can't put this. Damn it. Oh well. I'll get it when it fills, or if it fills. I think we're made of something. You know what? Let's pause these tunes. I wanted to play our intro today. I wanted to play our jam intro. But we had the echo thing. It threw me off. Let's play it. Oh yeah, get hype. Should have put that short in earlier. No. There we go. There we are. Let's recap quick. Our longs are doing good. We have closed the last hourly above the 200. This hourly continuing higher. 2 hour closed above. 3 hour closed above. Nice. 4 hour. We have an hour and 16 minutes to close above 26.6. And we have 5 hours to close above 26.482 for a 5-day bullish engulfing. We can see on the 5-day that was support here on late May 21st, 26th. Price rallied to a bullish engulfing candle before falling for the next 15 days. Now this 5 days in 5 hours, 16 minutes, settling up above 26.480, and we have a bullish engulf again. Will it play out this same way? Possibly. A move up to 27.7 today. If we can move up to 27.7, we start having what looks like a 3 rising methods. It's not perfect, but it would be a large body green, non-bearish engulfing, red candles down, and a bullish engulf that surpasses them. So that's not a textbook rising methods, but it would still be spicy. What I like about the 5-day as well, looking at our RSI right here, we have a lower low right here on RSI, despite price being higher. So RSI is lower here than here, yet price is higher. That's bullish divergence or hidden bullish divergence. 5-day looks pretty good. It looks very good, actually. VWAP is trending up. Momentum is starting to pinch. And this money flow red, very shallow, very weak, already pushing back up into green. We even see on MACD, potentially a waning momentum candle in the next 5 hours on a strong close. That 5-day is spicy. That 5-day might be holding secrets. Wizard secrets. Wizard secrets. We have a high, but that's not really going to be super helpful. Let's just mark it on our chart. Extend line right, clip. All right. I might even have a low trend here. We'll leave it here because we're so zoomed in. Yeah, might as well. When in Rome. When in Rome. Stop it. But don't stop that, Justin. Justin, subscribe because he's the man. Welcome. Welcome, Justin, the man. Justin, the man. Zarok. The MVP, the GOAT. All right. This one closed, so we don't need that. This is not filled yet. Potentially. It's closed. Still open. Good, that one's down here. Cool. We were looking for a short, but we might not get it. We might not get it filled. That'd be my bad. Chat said short. I don't know what happened. Monkey.
Absolutely love the energetic stream. Thanks, Tom.
Thank you, Monkey. Appreciate you, my friend. Monkey's always in the Discord chat, and you guys should join him. I appreciate you, Monkey. This is fun. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's boring to come on and say, well, the market is not at an all-time high. We're trading sideways. It's been 90 days. We're still at the same price. It gets boring. This is a fun spice up. We'll have to do this more often. I think you guys are enjoying it. Viewership clearly showing that it's being enjoyed. Over 500 viewers, over 420 likes. We're about to hit 500 likes even. That's fancy. It's been many moon since we hit 500 likes. Many a moon. Many a moon. We've got some subscribers. We haven't had subscribers in every stream recently. It's been very slim pickings. It's been slim pickings. Bitcoin dominance hit 50% today for the first time in 2 years. That's spicy. Bitcoin broke its range high. I actually didn't even expect that when we started the stream. That was a little bonus. A little boni. How long have we been live is the question. An hour and 47 minutes. Yeah, and we're even going longer than usual. We'll aim for 2 hours. We'll aim for it. Carrying cash now? Heck no. I don't carry cash. Cash is... What is this? The 1980s? What is this? Paulo Reese. Nah, man. No one's going to send you money. No one's going to do that. James Manifold do a giveaway. The giveaways got complicated. Fairdesk was being weird about them. And so I said, all right, we're not going to do these till we figure this out. So they're on pause. But we're going to do a trading competition with a pretty big giveaway prize later in this month. Probably this week it'll start. Daniel D. Oliveira, what is up? Welcome. Welcome to the fray. This is the way. No, go back up. Go back up. I can't even see them anymore. I'm like clicking them and accidentally clicking them. Ooh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Holding on. Holding on. Move back up 1 minute. You can do it, little guy. 5 minutes, like, nah, you can't do it. Don't even try. 15 minutes, starting to get droopy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Probably should have entered that short early. Too bad. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. We've got orders lurking above and below. Just chilling, just vibing. Fill my short. What's up, Sherifu85? Thanks for the 10 secs. 10 secs. Thanks, brah. No homo. Thanks. Chad Nelson wants to trade on altcoins. That sounds dangerous. What's up, Tori Neveras? Neveras. Tori. What up, fam? From Miami. Love Miami. I love Miami. Dixie is about to explode. Why long Bitcoin? Who knows, Eric? Who knows? I forgot to put up a next trade. That's okay. I forgot. We have a bunch open and we have shorts and longs not filled, so that's probably not that bad. I don't know. Is it about to explode? I mean, it looks like it's about to go up, but it does. I don't know about explode, bro. Brr. 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 It looks like it's about to go back to 103.4. That's what it looks like, in my opinion. I wouldn't say explode. Like, if anything, this is a giant bear flag, right? Like, if anything. Got like a flat bottom. Got lower highs. I don't know. I'm not very bullish on the didgeridoo dollar. Didgeridoo. Yeah, I don't know. Market Saver B says this looks like garbage. It's like watching paint dry. We're going to get skunked. We're going to get skunked. That's okay. We have a long waiting for it if it does dump. Did I mark this one? Yeah, it's right here. I was looking to short up here, but looks like maybe the long fills first. Maybe. I'm schlonging, baby. Me a gang. In the ha in pouring like Emma. It's pouring, dude. It finally rained here. I went tubing yesterday. What's up, Leo? What's up, Josh McCombs? Is my e-cig the oblique? I don't know. No, it's a me pod. Smoking's not cool, guys. If you're under 18, definitely do not smoke. Smoking is terrible. YouTube really doesn't like anything that might be vaguely tobacco-y related to minors, so we have to make that very clear. Although, in reality, I shouldn't have to say that because our viewership is literally, according to YouTube, 0% people under 18. I wouldn't watch this if I was under 18 either, so that makes sense. Dixie lie. That's right. That's right. Here. We got a lower high here, and we're back to that low. We broke the low. All right. All right. Going down. Going down. Orders are filling. They're filling. Long filled. We got a long. We sniped it. We sniped it there. Just filled. Right here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Snipey wipies, boys. Go back up. Go back up. Don't go down. Go back up. No. Go back up. Go back up. Man yells at candles. Tune in live every day for man yelling at candles. No. 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 About to get stopped. Clip. Wow, that stop did not really execute well, did it? Clipped. Ooh, I didn't get stopped. Is that the wick? Is that the wick, boys? Is that the wick, boys? Wish we had it long right there. 266. We already took one from there. 26668. That's a nice little That's a nice little dog. Let's see. 0.5 retrace that. Can we? No. No, it's not going to hold. Not holding. We got stopped on our one long in profit, though. No worries. In profit. Though these ones are no stop loss, not in profit. Opening up more longs. No! No, the short. We should have taken the short. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my. Oh, no. Oh, my. 26.2. I'm going to just throw 26.2 on all these. We have to give back all the profits we made today. All right, just so we have them. Just so we don't get caught out. We closed one in profit and we reopened lower. It wasn't the end of the world. Wish we would have snagged that, though. At this point, I want to cancel this short because if it goes right back up to there, I don't even want to be in that short. Yikes. Yikes. How we doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. That one gets stopped. That one's in play now. We placed this one a while ago. Placed this one a while ago. Now in play. We did get stopped out, it seems, on this one. Boo, this short. Boo. Should have just marketed it. Marketed it. It's okay. Damn. So 26.42 right here. We just traded below it. Hopefully that's the wick. Hopefully. Because this is the 5-day bullish engulf. If today closes above 26.42, we have a very bullish signal on the 5-day. If it closes below, it's off the table. It's off the table. We've closed 1, 2, 3, 4 longs in profit. We got stopped out on a few shorts. This is today's trades. Today's trades right here. We lost 30 cents. We lost $1.70. That was a long time ago. $1.94. Then we closed for almost $9, $5, $2, and we lost $3.50. And now we got all these positions open. Oh, this one's down $7. That alone could tank our P&L for the day. That alone, baby. Please bounce from here. Dominance taking that fall as well. We were looking at this saying dominance does seem to be leading price in some way. It fell from 50%. It did kind of wick out this 1-minute consolidation. Now it's moving back up. I'm going to take that as a good sign that at least locally, I'm going to take that as a sign, hopefully. At least locally, we have a little bottom there. 1 minute, we got the green dotting market cipher. Not bad. Not a bad piece of confluence there. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce. Future King, says short. All right, 2013. I can't read the rest of your name. Bear Trap. Bear Trap. It does kind of look bear trappy, especially if it bounces there. But this is not so far bouncing that hard. It's kind of hesitant. I'd like to see more follow through here. We do have a pretty open. Let's see. Is it on the hour? Probably on the hour. 3 minutes to close this hourly. Man, that dumps right into the hourly close. Look at this wick. Oh, no. Oh, no, fam. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. All right, an hour left on the 4 hour, though. Hopefully that closes above the 200. Hopefully. Wow, it just fell and now nothing. Just nothing. The viewers to like ratio is fire. That it is. Is Bitcoin doomed? It's always doomed, man. It's always doomed, man. It's doomed to go up eventually. That's what history has shown us. It's doomed to go up. But in between it going up, it goes down. That's the trick. That's right. Put the holy longs. We got a bunch. We've got 1, 2, 3 open from today. 1, 2, 3. I don't know where, I would open lower, but I don't really want to open more right there. Get this bounce. Get this skadoot. You know what? I will. We'll mark it. We'll mark it because I forgot to put in, Let's hopefully help this market move back up. That's really not how it works, though. There we go. We ordered a biggin. 26.3, $27 loss. That alone will tank us. No. Oh no, it's a me. Bro, are you using a disposable? It is. So this is rechargeable. These are disposable. So it's half and half. No, get up. Get up there. Get it. Coming around on 2 hours live here. If you are out there and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, well, god dang it, do it. You should also join the Discord. You should enable notifications. You should sign up and trade on Fairdesk and Femex, our sponsors. That's right. We're going to have to do more of this content. This was the first time you're testing it out. I think everybody loved it. I loved it. This is way better than me talking to myself for 2 hours. Interacting with the chat, taking Degen trades, losing money, gaining money. It is what it is. David, tune in for a man yelling at candles. That's right. This is the only channel where we yell at candles. Yelling at candles live. Yo, what up, Applegate Experience, if you're here? Love you, man. Good to see you. Well, I think we caught the spicy end of that. I think we got the spicy end of this move. I don't know if it's going to just reverse and go up now, but it does seem to be chilling out. That was kind of all one dump, and it does seem to line up with that hourly. That was a very strong hourly candle until the last 10 minutes of it, where it went from up here, right where our short was, all the way down. Now looking to close red. It did tap the previous hour open. That's not a bad sign for a bounce. 26.49. Not a bad sign. No. Go up. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. And you're being a bitch. There it is. The hourly rolled over and you moved down more. You're a bitch. I think it looks like all these longs are going to get stopped, honestly. Looks like it. 26.1. I'm going to set an alert for 26.1. I'll set an alert for 26.240. Let's redo this one. All right. So you've done all those things. You should probably follow me on Twitter as well. That's always fun. It's fun to follow me on Twitter. I think this has been damn successful. Though we think we just gave back all the gains from today. Yeah, it looks like it. If we closed them all now, we'd be giving back all the gains from today. But we're not going to close them now. We're going to wait for those stops to hit. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait for another day because it is time for me to go celebrate 420 likes and an awesome stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. Tune in on Wednesday for some more degenerative degenning. Ooh, and in the last second, we got Dang Man. How you doing? Subscribing. I'm doing good now. Love you, fam. See you on Discord. Crown out.